Okay.
Here, let me put this guy on your boat really quick.
Okay.
Here, hand your paddle to me so I can pull.
That's a small one if it's a halibut. Should be a lake.
Okay. I'm just gonna put this on your. Oh. Damn it! All right.
Still a halibut.
A little halibut?
Little flatties, yeah.
You think it's?
Oh, it looks like a keeper.
That's definitely a keeper.
That's gonna. Should I gap it?
Well, I think it's about a
24.
yeah, at least.
Very quick for that. Get that net in there.
Okay, got it.
Oh, it ain't gonna fit. I need a gallon. You got it. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna let him get it out of him. Get it out of your system. Get it out of your system.
What did I say about that?
Spot on. Spot on. You know what? This might even be a 30-incher. It's pretty. Yeah.
28.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm going 28-30.
Badass.
Are you filming this, Jason?
Yeah.
Nice.
Damn, and you know, and I got my head cam thing too, man. I wish I'd have had that going at the time.
Yeah, huh? Well, you want me to rip this guy's gills out?
Yeah, or beat it over the head or whatever. Check it in your back. Your back of your hole there, your cargo well. There you go. Beautiful.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Woo!
Well, I think there's probably more in that spot.
That's what I'm guessing. Hit the honey hole here.
I hope so. From tip to tip. You know what I mean?
I think he's dead.
Yeah. I like to try and bleed them out as much as possible, you know?
Ripped his jaw a bit.
First halibut of the year.
Sure came unexpected.
Actually, it's almost as soon as you drop down, right?
I was dropped. I was all the way down the whole time.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Dang. Alright, you got a place to
Let me turn around.
there? Sure. Nice!
Yeah.
Yep.
On your squid.
Oh, is that what you got? Sure.
Put your squid back.
Yeah,